Welcome to the video about the iPhone 6 Cradle camera system. Basically this is a covert camera system that's built into what looks like a charging cradle for an iPhone 6. We all know that our iPhone's battery goes down quite quickly, so it's not unusual for somebody to have a charging cradle like this. Now here I've got a dummy iPhone, and we actually supply these as a separate item, so if you haven't got an iPhone you can still use a cradle, and it still looks like you've got a genuine working iPhone unit that you're using. So that slots in there and it completes the package. So it's not unusual to see somebody walking around like that, and basically you've got a camera system built into this with the recording onto an SD card inside the unit.
Okay, so the camera itself can be found just here with my finger, and so when you're carrying the phone around and using it or pretending to use it, the camera can be covertly recording. Now to operate the camera is actually up on the back here. These aren't actually designs, they're switches, so if I move that one down for example, that turns the camera on and starts the recording. There's another switch in the middle there that shows you the display lights. You turn that off and on at any time. At the moment it's telling me how much batteries I've got on there. It's 3 lights means fully charged. If I then want to start recording, I would first need to insert an SD card. Now the SD card is cleverly hidden behind this panel here. So if we remove that, and then the SD card can be inserted, and we can start recording. Obviously that's then recovered back up so that no one else can see it. So now I can start recording. I can either flick that switch down, or I can double check it by turning the lights on first, flicking the switch down, and the light goes red. And then record anyone just by carrying the cradle around. Once I finish I can stop that and then plug in the USB ports and offload it onto a PC. I can also though leave this lying around on the table, so if I pop this down on a table, it can actually be set to record on motion activation mode, which you'd need to do by using your phone. So with your phone you can log directly straight in.
Yeah, because it's a Wi-Fi camera as
Yep.
well, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right, yeah, it's Wi-Fi, but it doesn't use a router, so I don't need a router, it's literally peer-to-peer as I call it. So the phone logs directly into the camera. So
what that effectively means is that you can't log into it from the other side of the world like an IP camera, but you can within a certain distance, short distance, actually remotely view and log in to do the settings from your either your iPhone or your Android phone, and there are apps to download to be able to do this.
Yeah, that's right. So I mean, this would actually work in the middle of the desert as long as you're within range of the camera.
You don't need a router, no Wi-Fi.
No router. You can watch it live from your phone, but you have to be within shot once again of the Wi-Fi of the camera. So if I'm sat in the next room, I can watch it live. I can also walk away, set into motion activation, and come back later and download the recorded footage once again to my phone, or by plugging that directly into a PC.
I think you can remotely delete the footage on there as well, can't you?
That's right, once you set up Wi-Fi communication, you can do one or two. You can either plug it in and delete stuff from a PC.
But also, doesn't it take photos as well? I think that takes photos as well as video. You can take snapshots with it.
Yeah, I think you have to be there to press the button on your camera, but
yeah,
you can do that as well.
Okay. So, if you're interested in buying this camera, it's available now for about $219 plus VAT. And you can get it on the Spy Equipment website along with other portable spy camera systems. Thanks for watching.